Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tech reviews. In today's video, we will be comparing the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and the Amazon eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi system to help you make the best decision for your home Wi-Fi needs. Don't forget to like this video, comment on which product you prefer, and hit the subscribe button for more tech reviews. Both eero systems offer whole home coverage of up to 4,500 square feet. However, the eero 6 system supports Wi-Fi 6 speeds up to 500 megabits per second, whereas the eero system supports Wi-Fi 5 speeds. So, if you need faster speeds, go for the eero 6 system. Both systems work with most major internet service providers and can easily be managed using the eero app. However, the eero 6 doubles as a Zigbee smart home hub, making it easy to connect and control compatible devices on your network with Alexa. So if you want to create a smart home, go for the eero 6 system. Both systems are easy to set up and only take a few minutes using the eero app. Plus, free customer support is available 7 days a week. However, the eero system requires a separate subscription for online security and additional network management features, whereas the eero 6 system offers automatic updates for free, making it the better option. So for hassle-free updates, go for the eero 6 system. The eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is priced at $169, whereas the eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi system is priced at $179. They are both reasonably priced for the features they offer. So, if you need the added benefits of the eero 6 system, the extra $10 is worth it. And there you have it. We hope this comparison helped you choose between the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and the Amazon eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi system. Don't forget to let us know which one you prefer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, comment on which product you prefer, and hit the subscribe button for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.